guys, so I'm going to show you a really simple southern fried chicken with two sort of glazed donuts. You can take anything out of this, how to make a donut and how to make a bit of like Kentucky fried chicken. So I'm just going to start off with milk, which is just stuck in the 150 mils here, just stuck in the microwave for a minute, just to bring it up. I'm just going to add some yeast to that. Get your 60 grams of butter, melt it down. I've just got some bread flour, an egg and a pinch of salt. I'm going to add yeast, 2.5 grams of yeast in here, leave it for 5 minutes till it foams up so the yeast is sort of activating, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, so this is probably done best the night before, first thing in the morning. I just didn't have time today. So all we're just going to do is to leave our chicken in our buttermilk. If you don't have any buttermilk, just get a bit of milk, a bit of lemon juice, or a wee bit of vinegar, some acidity. I couldn't get buttermilk today, so milk, a bit of vinegar, let that split. Just going to put I've just got a chicken breast and I've basically cut it down the middle into 2 pieces, and I'm going to leave that for a couple of hours in the fridge here. So just with the yeast mixture, I've added the butter, the egg, the sugar, the milk, the yeast, a pinch of salt and the strong bread flour. I'm just going to incorporate this slowly into, got the dough hook on, so I'm just going to incorporate the flour slowly into the mix. Sort of say like maybe a third. Okay, so I've literally just brought that mix. Literally 2-3 minutes, not that long. And I add a tablespoon of flour there, just so that's it. That's the sort of consistency you're looking for there. It'll still be slightly sticky. Now what we're going to do is I'm obviously going to try to speed things up here. Just going to leave this to proof. Usually takes about an hour, but you can turn the oven on, leave the door open, get a wee bit more heat in there. So hopefully it'll only take about 40 minutes or so. So we're just going to let that double in size. While our donut's proven, literally just going to make our little glaze here for the donut. So I've literally got 60 milliliters of milk, whole milk preferably, and I've got 250 grams of icing sugar. I'm literally just going to bring this together and just going to add a pinch of salt to that. That is literally our glaze for donuts. That's been proven there for 45 minutes or so. So literally just really well floured surface, flour and roll it in. I'm just going to do it about that thick. What we're going to do, I've got a few bits of parchment paper, grease proofs, and all I'm going to do is just cut, and what I'm going to do is just going to put it on the grease proof paper. Going to leave it over, we're going to let that rise again, let all these rise again. The reason put it in the grease proof means we just put it into the oil, it's not going to change the shape of it. Okay guys, as my wife pointed out, she's using the top of a wine bottle, just to get a wee hole in it. The sort of reason for doing this as well, there's probably more icing on it, but it'll cook quicker. So, perfect. Right guys, so did a few holes, did a few without holes. Let me just going to put all these here together here. We're going to leave these for 40-45 minutes. Just going to put a tea towel over them here, and we're going to let them basically double in size. And while they're proven, all I've done here with my mix is just a bit of cornflour, flour. I've added all my dried spices there, and literally we're just going to add our chicken to this and into the hot oil, and same with donuts, that's us. Okay, so I left them for about an hour there. So what we're going to do is going to cook the donuts first. Going to take about 2 minutes, a minute either side. I'll show you the reason I put them on the grease proof now, so literally, probably get 2 into this. Now it's actually sitting alright. So I've got that in sort of just medium, I've got that number 6 in my stove. So what I'm going to do, be careful of that hot oil. Okay, just using a pair of tongs. Okay, and we're just going to give a wee bit of colour each side. Probably just less than a minute there. Just literally going to flip them. This is it. What I'm going to do with my chicken, these are cooking really quickly here, so I'm going to dredge this twice, but I'll finish these first actually, because they'll not take long at all. Lovely. Just using, just going to do the chicken, so that's my donuts out, just drying in the rack there. So I'm doing this. I've just turned the heat down on the fire, it was just set a wee bit too high. If you've got a deep fire in the house, you want to cook those donuts about 180 degrees. Mine was just sitting a wee bit too high there. But. So, literally I'm just using tongs here, just so my hands don't get messy. Once you've done this once, you're just going to go back again into the buttermilk, right? You're going to get this nice second dredge on it here. So, literally, and again, and that would just go for that one more coat. So I'll say just do this with tongs. Do your hands like, but it's quite messy. So just do that with all your chicken. Okay guys, so literally last minute chicken. So I've got that down to hopefully about 160. Should do the job. So tongs, straight in. Make sure they're metal tongs, not plastic. Just gonna give that a bit of colour. Okay, so the wee glaze for the donut. I literally just give it a wee whisk here just to start to go a wee bit lumpy on it. So what you're gonna do, you donut in. Literally, halfway. Do it with your hand, you're not that warm now. You're gonna let that drip off the side, and that's it. The donuts glazed, I'm just going to give them like 5-10 minutes there just to harden. And then if you have any of the wee glaze mix left, just dip them again twice, use them up. So, chicken, you want to get it nice and crispy as well. So that's what the cornflour will do there. And then probably about 2-3 minutes away. So you want to do this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so just got a wee bit of kitchen roast, just going to dry off the excess oil here on your chicken. So, literally. Say half a chicken breast and probably do one of these easily. I should do a huge one. Right. We're going to assemble it. We're just going to build it. Donut. Fried chicken. I don't know, you can maybe put maple syrup in this. God knows what this is going to taste like. Bingo. See? Surprisingly, it's not too bad. Oh. It's actually not too bad. Better than what I thought.